Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over what's inside of a Pokémon Elite Trainer Box. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are just getting started with Pokemon shopping, or maybe you've seen these on the shelves and you're wondering what exactly is inside. Now, to simply put, if you turn the Elite Trainer Box around, most Elite Trainer Boxes come with booster packs. So it'll range anywhere from 9 packs all the way up to 12 packs in a single Elite Trainer booster box. You also get a promo card, so in this Paldea Evolved Elite Trainer Box, you'll get this promo card that you see right over here. You also get 65 card sleeves, so those card sleeves look something like this, where they usually have a design to them, but they can work as card sleeves for your Pokemon cards. You also get a player's guide, so let me actually show you what that player's guide looks like. You'll get something called a player's guide, so this is from the Twilight Masquerade Elite Trainer Box, but this player's guide, I mainly use it to actually keep track of which cards I still need for a particular set. So this Elite Trainer Box from Paldea Evolved is going to have its own player's guide specific to the Paldea Evolved collection set. Next, you're going to get 6 damage counter dice. So this is going to be particularly for playing the Pokemon TCG game. You get 1 competition legal coin flip die. So again, for the game, you get 2 plastic condition markers. So these 2 right over here. Again, this is for the game. You also get a collector's box to hold everything. So to simply put, the box has multiple use cases. So this right here is a Surging Sparks Elite Trainer box. So I mainly use it to hold cards, but it is a nice, neat box that has multiple different uses. And then you also have a code card for the Pokemon Trading Card Game Live. So this is an example of that card that also is within this Elite Trainer box. So you basically see everything that you get within an Elite Trainer box if you just turn it over. What mainly people get it for is that I personally get it for the player's guide to help me complete sets. And I also get it every time I'm starting a set just so that I have a guide, and I also have like 9 to 12 booster packs to actually open with. Now the thing with the card sleeves though is that they're not the best card sleeves just because it's not crystal clear. There's like some opaqueness to it, but you do get card sleeves included with it. And these boxes I do pretty much use to hold like throwaway cards. I use them to holding duplicates as well. So it's a pretty useful tool, especially when it comes to opening Elite Trainer boxes. But I hope you found this video helpful, everyone. If you guys have any questions, let me know down below.